Michael Burry, a California hedge fund manager, became famous after correctly predicting the U.S. housing meltdown in 2008. He used this knowledge to make a fortune for himself and his investors. Burry blames greed and corruption for the U.S. mortgage-backed securities that have gradually evolved into a dangerous and misleading time bomb. He also warns of a stock market crash in 2023. Burry claims that he could see the credit standards deteriorating quarter by quarter. He says that crappier mortgages are being put into the pools. Burry founded Scion Capital LLC, which he oversaw during the Great Financial Crisis of 2008, earning billions of dollars in gains for his customers when the American housing market collapsed. Burry says that one of the problems with the stock market is the IQ drain caused by the widespread shift of assets from actively managed funds to passive index funds. The risk is amplified as inexperienced investors rush to invest in the stock market. For instance, GameStop's share price increased from $20 to $483 within the last 30 days, before falling to $50. Burry believes that the increase in stock prices might occur within the following 12 months. It may begin with wildly inflated equities like Tesla, which Elon Musk owns. Burry first raised concerns about high inflation in February last year due to the Federal Reserve's unprecedented printing of money. At the time, he was the contrarian, and everything appeared to be going according to plan. He tweeted to get ready for inflation with the hashtag doomed to repeat. Burry criticized the U.S. government and the Federal Reserve for their trillion-dollar stimulus program. The most recent statistics available indicated an inflation rate of 1.7%, which is less than the Fed's objective. However, Burry was barely ahead of schedule. A year later, our current inflation rate is a scorching 8.6%. Burry seemed to applaud Tesla CEO Elon Musk's acquisition of a 9.2% stake in Twitter. Burry wrote in a since-deleted tweet, "Of course, Elon Musk owning enough shares to control Twitter would benefit America." He criticized the mainstream media for ignoring the Hunter Biden story. Scion or the White House did not respond to requests for a response. Burry criticized the New York Times and the Washington Post for downplaying the issue around Hunter Biden in the fall of 2020. In conclusion, Michael Burry warns of a stock market crash in 2023. He attributes the problem to greed and corruption that has made U.S. mortgage-backed securities dangerous and misleading. Burry says that he could see the credit standards deteriorating quarter by quarter. He warns of the risk of passive index funds and inexperienced investors rushing to invest in the stock market. Burry also predicts high inflation, which could lead to economic instability. However, Burry also seems to approve of some actions, such as Elon Musk's acquisition of a 9.2% stake in Twitter, and he criticizes the mainstream media for ignoring the Hunter Biden story. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from our channel. By subscribing, you have access to all of our latest tips and tricks for achieving financial success. So what are you waiting for? Click that button and join our community.